Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Making some really good trades. Sorry I could not post my update yesterday. I did make a post today. I have the shits. My stomach is killing me. I don't know what's going on. But, oof, excuse me. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Alright. Yes. So, GameStop acting very well. Holding up tremendously and getting some nice rallies here and there. Let's take a look. GameStop up 1.2% today. Very nice. Now we were looking to see if GameStop is going to be able to come back down and take out this low here to really erase that divergence on the daily, because we don't want to finish these these move downs like this with bullish divergence. But the larger time frames kind of show that it could have already ended, right? You got the capitulation and that was it. So if we want to make it the low, that's okay. Not not complaining at all. I mean, who's complaining? GameStop's going up, right? Why would you complain? It's up 37% from the lows. Very nice. Now we can take a look real quick at market cipher. The weekly time frame is indeed looking extremely bullish. Now we are still in red money flow, but we're back at that zero line basically, and we're about to cross back into the green. Now we want to stay into the green here. We crossed back into the green, but we didn't stay into the green that long, and we capitulated after. And now we've been consolidating for a very long time in the red, and we're about to cross back into the green. And if we get back into the green, we should probably start to see some price action like this, right? Some big pops, some big rallies. Maybe they did buy Bitcoin at the lows here at 77, and they've doubled their not doubled, but they've made like 50% on their money, on the billions of dollars that they have. That would be pretty cool, right? They got earnings coming up, so we'll have to see what they have. So things are looking good. Things are shaping up. The daily time frame. Now, I was looking at the daily, right? When we're up here, the RSI bands were a little bit open. Now that the move up is starting, guys, look at the RSI bands. They are tightening up. This is very good. This is exactly what you want to see on a move up, right? You want to see those RSI bands nice and tight, and then it shoots up like this, right? Obviously, this is a bit of an extreme scenario, but you want to see tight RSI bands on the way up. That's good. Very nice to see. And then on the 4-hour time frames, you got that green dot here, tight RSI bands as well. Now you're gonna get most likely either a red dot tomorrow, or you're gonna see continuation towards the upside, which would be really good. You got lots of green money flow on the 4-hour time frame. Excuse me. And then on the 1-hour time frame, you also have increasing green money flow. So looking real good. Looking real good. If the lows are in, that's great. If it wants to extend higher and do a more complex correction, that's also okay. As long as you're below 34, 41, you could still be in a more complex X. But for now, let's stay bullish. Let's go with market cipher. It's been calling the lows very well, and so far it's been reacting very nicely to this green dot, right? And we've seen tremendous upside since then. Excuse me. And after that, for the lows are in, then we're in some sort of 1-2 setup, and we're at a 1-2, 3, 4, 5, or it's a 1-2, 1-2. It could be many other things, but I could just label it like this for now. And this thing should start to take off. The 2 could still be in play, but we'll leave it like this for now. After that, I think we covered the 1 hour, the 30-minute. I mean, there's so much green money flow. This is GameStop is very bullish, guys. It's very bullish. Obviously, these dip buys down here were the way to go. When we took out this low, made bullish divergence, I really had my doubts that we were going to do some sort of complex correction, and it still can. It still can, right? We're not out of the woods. until we really break like 34, then you should be mega bullish on GameStop, and this thing could start to break out in a major way. I think someone was talking about some big trend line here. I'm not too sure. Let me delete this one. Yeah, I don't know. Someone was talking about some big downsloping trend line that we're breaking, but maybe I'm mistaken. I'm looking at it wrong, or maybe it's this one right here. Yeah, I guess that's the one that people are talking about. Yeah, you have a very basic TA, technical analysis. You have a breakout. If it does come back down and retest it, I guess you could, enter another buy, right? Another long position right against this low, against this pivot, and you should see more upside. We'll take a look at wave edge, right? Wave edge weekly time frame. You got that green cross right at the lows. You hit that order block, and you've been moving up since then. 4-day, 3-day to 2-day, nothing much happening. The daily, you got a red cross, and then you got that dip. You're not seeing too much follow through, which means the tide could be changing, guys. You could be getting into a really bullish trend on GameStop. You got these two green crosses on the 4-hour. You got nice follow through, and you're not seeing any weakness. So again, this can continue higher until further notice. The 1-hour time frame, you got a big sell today. You got someone that sold some big amount at 29. Probably the hedge funds or someone's trying to hold the price down. Maybe they can get enough. But you've seen. Hey, I'm not the only one that's on Twitter seeing everyone posting that so many insiders are buying and this and that, right? So obviously you could see a lot more upside from here if all those buys remain. If they're unloading here, then that would be unfortunate, because then this scenario would come back where the the Y is not in, and you're going to see some sort of rug pull, and it's an ABC down, right? Which would be very unfortunate. But let's stay positive for now. We'll leave the dip buy area here just in case shit does hit the fan. But for now, it's looking good, guys. It's looking good. And actually, this dip buy area would need to be updated, because you actually made a higher high today. So the dip buy comes all the way back up to $20 bucks, $20.33, if it does want to rug pull for whatever reason. But yeah, we'll stay positive for now. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's looking like you should be buying the dips until further notice. Again, I only give analysis like this. I only say that, like, it should be dip buys now when I really see the trend changing, the tide's turning for the better. We could be here now, and if we are here, then it's saying something, right? That's good. That's good. I'm getting positive on GameStop. The market's also showing lots of strength, right? We're pumping off the lows here. Where are we? We're going straight up, right? And if it can easily continue. There's so many people trying to short, and it's not working, and it's just causing the market to go higher too. So this can easily continue. We're almost at the all-time highs on the market. GameStop could have some catching up to do, and can go into the 40s and 50s later on. And you just gotta be patient, right? We were patient down here. We caught the whole move up, and we're gonna be patient here. We were patient here, and if the signals are coming that the major breakout is coming, then you don't want to miss it. All right, have a good evening. Hopefully I feel better on Thursday. I'll give you guys another update tomorrow. This was supposed to be the Tuesday update, but I'm posting it on Wednesday. Good night.